Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read soto, or gai in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means outside. It has 5 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like gai. On its own, it is usually soto. Fortune told in the evening, done out of doors, away from inside. Now, let's write it. 5 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Gai, soto, means outside. Gaikoku, gaikoku, means foreign country. And kaigai, kaigai, means overseas. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ta, read oh many. Me, read na, name. Notice the small differences. So that's soto, outside. 5 strokes. Read soto or gai. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.